Alright, so just got back from Pacific Supply by Ferrari Seattle. Picking up some cleaning supplies. Got some shitty paint, but it'll do. Got some degreaser. We're gonna pull this E30 back out because if we paint in the garage, we can get in trouble. But first, if you come close, you'll notice how shitty and ugly this stupid engine bay looks. We're gonna straighten things out, clean it up, paint it, do whatever we can to make it a little bit more presentable before we put this motor in there. Let's get to it. There you go. Alright, swapping some parts from the donor car. This is actually an early model vehicle that had late model doors swapped onto it. But we have a late model with a dented passenger door from the Craigslist thief. So right here you can see the side molding is popping out a bit. And that's because we've got like it's hard to see, but there's a small dent in here. So we're gonna put this one on.
You want some assistance there? Here, let me get inside. I'd make sure this, okay. Oh. Alright, go do that.
Yep. Okay, C-clip. There we go. Okay, yeah.
Well, you see body lines on it. Yeah, it's too high.
Alright, it's definitely too high. So the door closes till it gets down here. And then you can really see how much the quarter panel has been pushed in. Engine bay is looking pretty clean. Alright, so let's move over to the engine bay. Are we prepped? Oh yeah. Next step, remove cross member because we're just going to use the one that came with this powertrain. Second step, remove brake booster because this is the one that will accommodate this S50 motor in this engine bay. We're then going to take off these wheels and the suspension to stick with what we've got on this. And we'll just roll this all right into here. I am so pumped. Are you pumped, Mike?
Yeah, I am. You see my excitement?
We're totally pumped.
Oh, finally, someone called.
Hey,
Hey, what's up?
what are you doing?
Still working?
You know, I was thinking, tomorrow I work all day. I work all day. I have to work all day. I'm sure that Mike has nothing to do.
I have a shit ton of things to do, and I want Zach to go home.
Mike wants to leave.
Oh,
He's got a lot to do tomorrow.
okay, we'll come home, Zach.
Alright. So where are we at?
Filming right now?
Yeah, I'm filming right now.
We got some minions that shut up.
Yeah.
We'll do this. We'll take care of it. Yeah, it's all off. Yeah. Hey, okay, you guys can just pick it up now and just. Just put it in that corner. Actually, wait. Bring it under this E30. Rotate. I just like watching you guys do this. Careful about the fluid. Alright. This means we're ready. Oh yeah, dude, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, let me change batteries.
Okay.
Are you really gonna go?
Fucking, hey, don't you just love when shit just works?
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, well, Michael got some cheese guys. Alright, try it. Just needs fuel. Hey, good progress.
Yeah, good progress. Fucking 5 o'clock in the morning.